Hello and good morning and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James here bringing a video on a BMW 320 diesel saloon. So we'll have a walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk you through some of the options and spec. So of course, starting with the outside of the car, we have the Your Next Car Performance Pack, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. Alongside that, this vehicle does feature quite a wide array of rare optional extras on a 320 variant, so I'll be sure to get through them as quick as possible. Starting of which, we do have the LED daytime running lights, which I'll give you a quick show of. There you go. As I say, they are just the LED daytime running lights on this model. They are not the LED main headlamps or the xenons. They are, however, just the normal halogen headlamps, but they do have the LED daytime running lights. Moving around to the side, we have the 18-inch Msport alloys, fitted with the Michelin Pilot Sport tyres, which are run flats. Really nice addition to the black of the body performance pack and the red of the body colour. These are in the original grey finish, and they are of course powder coated from the factory, and they do look great on the car. Moving inside the vehicle, we have a black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated. Inside and out, this car is in fabulous condition, and as I say, does feature some nice options. We have the Harman Kardon surround sound system with Logic 7. Into the back, we have of course privacy glass on the rear windows. We also have the split seat option, which again is an optional extra on the saloon models of the BMWs. Nice option to have if you do require that little bit of extra room. Down the side, of course, we've gone for the side bars, side decals and side vinyls, and you can really get a look at just how clean and tidy this car is. Moving around into the boot. If you've not yet seen how large the boot space is on these 3 Series saloons, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much room you have. However, of course, as I've just showed you, you do have that split seat option, so you do get that bit of extra room when it is required. Rear boot spoiler, of course, to finish things off, along with the rear diffuser. Rear parking sensors on this model. Of course, showing you off them lovely LED rear lights. Of course, here at Your Next Car, we're happy to and able to offer you some outstanding finance packages if they are required. We use such established lenders as MotoNovo Finance, Alphera and Santander to find and get the best package for you, if it is required, of course. This vehicle can be viewed on our website, along with the Auto Trader, where you can view up to 40 images of the car. Okay, so I'll now get inside and I'll show you around the interior options and features. And I'll also give the car a little start up for you. So as you can see on the odometer, this vehicle has only covered just over 20,000 miles, which for a 320 diesel is extremely low mileage. We also have the heated seats, as I mentioned earlier. We have cruise control with speed limiter. We have voice recognition and voice activation. Automatic headlights, automatic wipers. We have the beautiful 6-speed manual gearbox. The business navigation package. Bluetooth communications and media. Full DAB. And of course a wide array of multimedia inputs. This model does also benefit from full BMW service history, along with being a one-owner vehicle. There you go, everything is in green, so it's not due anything for a while. And I'll show you that digital service history, so there you go. 2 main dealer service stamps from BMW. Really nice grand piano black trim along the door, and of course on the dash as well, which ties in really nicely with the black of the performance pack as well. As I say, it is very low mileage, and that does really show with just how clean and tidy this car is on the outside and the in. Okay, that's just going to be about it from me here on the 320 diesel in red. If you do have any further questions, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Alternatively, you can drop us an email at yournextcar@icloud.com. And as I say, guys, you can view this vehicle on our website and on the Auto Trader page as well. Alongside that, you can also check out our finance applicator, and you can also check out all the terms and conditions, and also alongside all of our lenders. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you very soon. Take care, thank you, and goodbye.